Okay, so I did problem 24. This is out of chapter 6, and it's on page 347. So let's see. It is a large tank of fish from a hatchery is being delivered to a lake. The hatchery claims that the mean length of fish in the tank is 15 inches and the standard deviation is 2 inches. A random sample of 36 fish is taken from the tank. Let X bar be the mean sample length of these fish. What is the probability that X bar is within half an inch of the claimed population mean? Okay, so first what you do is I make note of what the mean is, which is 15 inches, and then also the standard deviation is 2 inches, and they took a random sample of 36 fish, so I make note of that as well. So what you have to do is find the z-score. So you plug in the numbers into this formula, and it's asking, let's go back. It says, what is the probability that it's within half an inch of the claimed population mean, which the population mean they're claiming is 15 inches. So it could be either 14.5 inches up to 15.5 inches. So after you get done plugging the numbers in, you'll end up with this formula here. And so far, I got that from, you have to divide the standard deviation by the square root of the random sample that they took, which is 0.3333. So that'll leave you with this formula right here, and you have to plug in what the X bar is going to be. And in this case, it could be either 14.5 or 15.5. So we have to do two separate formulas. So as you can see here, we plug in 14.5 for X bar on this formula, and that'll leave us with negative 1.5. And then when we do the same down here, but do 15.5, it gives us a z-score of 1.5. So then we have to find, we have to find the z-score of that value, which in this case is 0.0668, and the one below is 0.9332. And you can find these values on the critical value for students T distribution chart. So right here, the negative 1.5 is right here. So that's how we got the 0.0668. And the 1.5 is right here, 0.9332. So that's how we got both of these values, is by plugging these in on the chart. And then what you have to do is subtract the lesser value from the greater value, which will leave you with 0.8664. So to answer the question, what is the probability that X bar is within half an inch of the claimed population mean? And this is the probability.